Welcome, in front of me is a Huawei Mate 40 Pro, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. And when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with the screen that you can see right here, the welcoming page. And all you need to do is select your language from the list that is right here. Now I'm going to stick with English right here, and then tap on Get Started, and then select Region. So you can select your region, again, the same way as you select language. And from there, tap on Next. And we have terms of use, so user agreement. Obviously we do have to select that we have carefully read and agreed to the above terms. Now we can, if you are interested, you can tap on the about and speed run this like I just basically did. There we go, we're done reading. And from there, tap on Next. And here we have the ability to insert our SIM card. It also can use a eSIM if that is something that you have. So that would require you to not actually insert any SIM card. It would use it electronically. Now this step is completely kind of redundant at the moment because you can insert that SIM card later on and it will just work fine. So I'm going to skip it for now. And then we have the network connection. So here we can connect to our network. If you don't have any network near you that you can connect to, you don't have to worry about it. You can do that still later on through settings, and the only thing that you will miss out if you choose to not log in right here or connect to network here is the ability to log into your I would say Google account, but this phone doesn't have Google account, so I assume it's going to be like a Huawei account or yeah. So I'm gonna skip it for now, and there it is. It actually shows us what we were missing out. So we'll be missing out Cloud, Find the Device, and Health. Now all of these are dependent on the Huawei ID, as it's stated right here. And so if we choose to skip Wi-Fi, we won't be able to log into our Huawei ID, but still you can do that later on after the setup is finished, just through settings. And from here we have date and privacy. So again, we can read the details if you want to, same as with the privacy policy. So let's go to further Huawei mobile services. Let's see what we got here. Information will be used to evaluate and improve the performance of our advertising. Okay, so number one, I'll disable this. If I understand this correctly, it's just a way of gathering data on you, how you use the device or what you search for, and giving you ads based on your search. And personalized ads, yep, disable. There we go. And we also have auto update. We can enable or disable it, it's completely up to you. I'm gonna go to next. And then we have device protection, so you can set up a fingerprint, face recognition, or password. Now password will be a PIN, pattern, password, or 4-digit PIN, alphabetical password and stuff like that. So select whichever one you want. Now also mention, if you want to select one of the two first ones, so fingerprint or face recognition, you will still be required to set a password as the last one. So that'd be PIN, pattern, password, whatever you choose to. You have to have a physical way of unlocking the device if fingerprint doesn't work or face recognition doesn't work, because those could be faulty, while for instance pattern, you always will be able to put it in. So select if you want it. If you don't, I'm gonna skip it. And on the next page we have enhanced services, so provides a range of enhanced services that help us get the most from your device. I'm just gonna say no thanks. Some experience improvements later, share analytics later. Now you can basically read all of these, but they're basically the same based on every device. Huawei location services later. Keep your software up to date. I guess I don't have a, oh wait, no, there is. Update manually. There we go. Data import. So here we have actually some useful feature. So we can import data from an older device, and that can be either move data from another device, doesn't really specify which one. So I am uncertain if the app that you use for this is accessible on iPhone, but on Android you can just download the Huawei Mover, I believe it's what it's called, or phone clone, something like that. It will tell you exactly what you need to get, and you can basically transfer your entire device to this one. You can also restore from Huawei Cloud if that's where you have a backup, or set it up as a new, which that's what I'm gonna do. And then next page we have the gesture. So let's try gestures. Can I skip this? Oh, yeah, I can. So if you already use gestures, you probably know. It kind of gives you a brief visual distinction of how you use it. Swipe up, go home. Swipe up and hold to go to reset, and swipe from sides to go back. And once you tap on finished, we are done with the setup. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.